Barely a week after those blasts, it's back to business as usual for its politicians in Maharashtra. The government now seems to be facing open dissent from yet another central minister from the state. Former Chief Minister Vilas Rao Deshmukh, now Cabinet Minister for Science and Technology, hasn't taken charge of his new ministry yet. He was removed from the politically high-profile Rural Development Ministry in last week's reshuffle. Officially, Mr. Deshmukh says he was busy with the cricket elections in Mumbai. But what's raised eyebrows in Congress and government circles is that he refused to go to the airport to meet the Prime Minister and Sonia Gandhi when they were in Mumbai after the blasts last week.
The Prime Minister's official website says Vilas Rao Deshmukh is the new Science and Technology Minister. At the Science Ministry headquarters, the nameplate is up. But the usual bustle outside the Delhi Minister's office is missing. So is the minister himself, even 6 days after the reshuffle. We tried speaking to Deshmukh, but there was no reply. His staff still has no clue. On Monday, his Minister of State represented the ministry at a meet.
There is confusion in this ministry as to who will lead the dialogue on science and technology and innovation at the high-level Indo-US strategic dialogue where Mrs. Hillary Clinton will be participating.
Well, I'm sure the cabinet minister knows his responsibility.
Deshmukh has been Cabinet Minister for Heavy Industries and Rural Development. Science and Technology is considered low profile. He refused to receive Prime Minister and Sonia Gandhi at the airport after the blasts. Detractors say he was busy with the Maharashtra cricket elections. His supporters say he hasn't taken over due to the Mumbai blasts.
बेहतर रहेगा कि ये सवाल आप विलास राव देशमुख जी से ही पूछिए.
First, Gurudas Kamath refused to take up the job the Prime Minister offered him in the Council of Ministers. Then, M. Veerappa Moily was unhappy at being moved out of the Law Ministry. Shrikant Jaina, another congressman, is still said to be sulking. And now the opposition has found another opportunity to target the Prime Minister and question his authority. Meanwhile, the Science Administration is extremely unhappy. Vilas Rao is the fourth Science and Technology Minister in 18 months. They are borrowing the phrase Vilas Rao had used. No more Kho-Kho in the Science Ministry. With Pallav Bagla in Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app. Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.